Welcome to dotcom builders. In this video, I will share with you how to send a test email in Brevo. Without any further ado, let's start this tutorial. First, log in to your Brevo account. Then, to show you how to send a test email in Brevo, I will create a new campaign. I will call it how to send a test email in Brevo, create campaign. For the recipients, I will select this test list, click on save, subjects, I will use how to send a test email in Brevo, click on save. Let's design a text based. Okay. For their customer, I will keep it their customer. Click on save and quit. And here you can either you can send a test email from here, preview and test, or you can start it from here or from this design page, from here, preview and test. It's the same thing. You will open this window. Here, make sure to click on send test email. And as you see here, who do you want to test your email with? Send your email to selected recipients in your test list. As you see here, till now, I don't have any contacts in my test email list. So click on manage test list and you will land on this page. Okay, here as you see, I have this is my account Brevo email. We recommend that you always send a test email to a group of test recipients before sending your campaign to all recipients. To add test recipients, list their email addresses below with one email address per line. To remove a test recipient, simply delete their email address from the list. Okay, I will add this email address here. Click on save. Test list updated successfully. Now let's return here. Before I continue this tutorial, I want to let you know that you can get access to my dotcom Builder Academy today for free. Inside this academy, there are multiple online courses, including ones about hosting your email, website builder, web hosting, hosting your WordPress, Bluehost, and I've just finished I've just completed my tutorial. And I've just completed another free online course about Brevo, which is an email provider, and also about Google Search Console. Let's see a demo of what the online courses looks like. This is a web hosting online course, and as you can see, my courses are very detailed. Let's check this one about Bluehost. And as you see, they are well detailed. To get all of this today for free, simply go to academy.dotcom.builders, link in the description. Fill in this simple form and you can get access to this dotcom Builders Academy. Without any further ado, let's continue this tutorial. Test list updated successfully. Now let's return here. I need to refresh this page. Now click again on preview and test, search by email. Let's look for Ben. And this is the address I've just added, Ben from Vanilla. Okay, my bad. I forgot to jump to the send test email tab first. Here in the recipients, I select this email I've just added like that. Click on send test email sent, and I've received it like that. As you see, it starts with test in the subject line, and this is the email I've just sent to myself during a test. And this is how to send a test email in Brevo. If you still have a question, leave it in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a like. Thank you.